So last week, we were here finding out how much you could make in just the Nissan section. Now today, we are in the beautiful Honda section, which is a lot larger than the Nissan section. How much you can make compared to the Nissan. Can you make more or less? Let's find out. But before we do, today, we got a special guest, Jacob.
Hey, how's it going, y'all? My name's Jacob.
But before we dive in,
we're gonna see which one's more profitable, Nissan or Honda.
let's get started, guys.
And here, guys, we present a Honda Accord, the 6-cylinder. It also comes with a 2.4 liter option, but
This one got a nice, beautiful V6. Now over here, you're gonna spend around $450 tops. It's not a bad price, and you get 30 days warranty. Now on eBay, for the same exact engine with just the heads and no warranty, $900. Outrageous.
which means you make a $400 to $500 profit on coming to our store and buying the engine from us.
Now I'm sitting in a 2016 Honda CRZ. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Not to mention the seats are very, very comfortable. Now over here, you're gonna spend $64 on a bucket seat. That's pretty cheap.
Now, you'd be able to go sell these $800 to $900. That's a pretty good steal, if you ask me. You spend, what, $120? I don't know the exact profit, but...
Well, actually, the seats are going for $200 a piece. So, I mean, you'd be able to make $400 to $500 for the set if you do come get them. And you spend $120 for both seats.
So now we're here with a 2004 Acura TL. But how many of you guys need to fix your Acura? A lot. Now over here, this trunk lid, you're gonna spend maybe 80 through 100 bucks, and that's the whole thing. I don't know how much you're gonna sell it for, but I know if you go to the dealership or if you go online even, you're definitely not gonna spend $100.
So believe it or not, our trunk here is only $120, and you can make a $400 profit for selling it outside of our yard. It's $500 out in the market, $120 with us.
Now we're here with this 2003 Acura CL. These wheels right here, believe it or not, they might be old, but they are still worth all the money you have. They're beautiful. Now over here, just one with the tire is gonna set you back maybe 100 bucks, probably less. Outside, I could not say the same.
Just a set of wheels outside of here, or you profit of about $400 to $500 on the street to compare to here, to our place. So today we talked about a bunch of different Honda parts and what is the profit that you make out of them. Well, you're making about $300 to $400 profit on them.
So make sure you leave the comments down below.
Who do you guys think won? Also, make sure that you just that like button for me, please. And I'm out of here.
So I don't know what happened with this guy at all, but come back, stay tuned till next week. We're gonna do Toyota, and you best believe you're gonna find some prices that you're gonna like.